Priya and the other tigers that came with her were part of one of the largest rescues of big cats in U.S. history. She came from a facility that was notorious for breeding tigers for the purpose of using the cubs for photo opportunities. That's where they take a tiny cub away from its mother and then charge the public a fee to have their photo with it or to pet the cub. Priya was actually breeding stock at the facility, so she was used to just churn out cubs over and over and over.
Good girl.
Many of the cats we deal with that we rescue have severe dental disease, especially tigers. They've probably never seen a vet for that, let alone a boarded veterinary dentist.
Unfortunately for Priya, the main teeth that are having issues are her canines, and those are very large teeth, which require a specialist to come in and operate on them.
If you guys can go in there and help Gail get cleaned up, so we'll be ready for the next one.
Let's see if she's central. I think she is.
You realize how small you actually are when you're about to intubate a big cat like a tiger, because you're sitting there holding its mouth open, you're right face to face with their big huge teeth, and you just totally appreciate the large wild animal that they are.
It's definitely a scary thing to look into a tiger's mouth. It is a wild animal, so it's the risk to the public, and then also the risk to the animal. Priya has what is called pulp exposure, which is an open connection to the nerve, which can be very painful, and today we'll treat with the root canal. Their teeth are probably almost about 7 inches from root to tip, and they're kind of terrifying.
You have to pull that one, or you can...
The most concerning thing with Priya's procedure and with any big cat sedation is how they're going to respond to being under anesthesia. Sometimes they can have just adverse reactions to the anesthesia itself. So we'll be watching her closely, monitoring her vitals to ensure that she's doing well.